Evaluate the integral between 0 and pi over 2 of sine 2x dx. Now, whenever you see something that looks like chain rule, you are thinking u substitution. All right, we're going to let u equal 2x here because taking the derivative of that leaves no x's, and that makes life easy. So du dx is going to be just 2. Swap the dx into 2 to make it du over 2 equals dx. Now we can take this guy, this guy, this guy, put some stuff together, and do some integrating with respect to u. So 0 pi over 2, okay? Sine is still sine, but now it's of u. Dx now becomes du over 2, right? What I can do is I can rip out a half. So a half of the integral between pi over 2 of sine u du. Okay, the derivative of sine is, careful, negative cosine u, right? That 1/2 is still lingering. Now my limits of integration are 0 and pi over 2, but remember this 0 and that pi over 2 goes with the original problem where it's x is e0 and x is pi over 2. So I have to substitute 2x back into u. So this becomes 1/2 negative cosine 2x, and now we're cooking with gas. Okay, limits of integration, let's do the whole thing where we make a big bracket. I have 1/2 negative cosine of 2 times pi over 2, close it, bracket it, minus 1/2 bracket negative cosine 2 times 0, close it, bracket it. Okay, you become, I really don't need that first bracket anymore, 1/2 times negative cosine of regular pi minus 1/2 times negative cosine of nothing. Cosine of pi is -1. So negative cosine of pi is +1 minus 1/2. Negative cosine of 0, well, cosine of 0 is 1, so negative cosine of 0 is going to be -1. So we have 1/2, double negative plus 1/2, which last time I checked gives us a whole. And that's what we get. Tricky. Fun.